Hello, what we have here today is a hunter. I'm not sure what kind of hunters these are. I'm going to see if I can get you up to the tag on the side of the motor housing. I'm sure I can if I try hard enough. Here it is. Someone can read that. It's hunter. It's definitely a hunter, but I'm not sure what kind of hunter this fan is. The light does work. Go ahead and get off this bed. Yeah. Alright, so go ahead and show the fan. I'm going to turn the light off so you can get a better view of the fan and turn my phone to light on. It will shut it on low. I'm sure someone in the comments will be inclined to notify me about this thing. Look at that, we're already approaching a minute. Go up to medium. Not sure what the colors of the blades are on the other side. I'm sure someone again will inform me of that. So we'll get the hunter and fish Leonardo. I do like wobbly fans that have a slight wobble. Not a dangerous wobble, but I like it when they have a slight wobble. I don't know why. I personally think it gives them character. As you can see. Look up the high. This is better than wobble too much now. No, it wobbles too much on high. Well, that's just Hunter. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and more to come.